Hey, what's up YouTube? It's the South African tech YouTuber here, and in today's video I'm going to be doing the unboxing and just a quick overview of the newly released Huawei Nova Y91. So this is the successor to the Nova Y90, which was released last year, and there is a couple of noticeable upgrades from that phone. So first of all, we can see as we open the box here, those are the main specs. There's a 7000 milliamp hour battery in here, a massive display, and a fantastic sound. So the first thing we get in the box is a user manual, and then we've got this nice soft TPU case. We've also got a 22.5 watt fast charger that Huawei have provided in the box. So other companies like Samsung should take notice of that. And there's obviously some ejector pin and a USB-A to USB-C cable given in the box. So everything you need basically is given in the box. And this is fantastic because most companies here in 2023 are not providing all of these things in the box. So taking off this front plastic, we are greeted with this massive 6.95 inch display. It's like 7 inches basically. Back in the day this was called a phablet size, but nowadays it's pretty normal. And now we look at the main specifications. So this phone has like I said, a 6.95 inch display. The resolution is Full HD Plus, and it has a 90 Hz refresh rate. The CPU is a Snapdragon 680, which is octa-core. The RAM is 8 GB, and it comes with 256 GB of storage, no SD card support. There's a dual nano SIM card slot, both 4G SIMs. There's a 50 megapixel plus a 2 megapixel rear camera with an 8 megapixel front camera. Furthermore, there is a massive 7000 milliamp hour battery, which is a huge feature of this phone. It's running on Android 12 and EMUI 13 on top of it. There's stereo speakers. Apparently these speakers are 300% better than the Huawei Nova Y90. And lastly, like I said, this phone can charge at 22.5 watts, and then the charger fortunately is provided in the box. Looking at the bottom of the device, we can see we've got the main speaker, the USB-C port for charging and data transfer, as well as the SIM card slot. The SIM card slot can put two 4G nano SIM cards inside. Unfortunately, there is no SD card support. On the top of the device, we can see the top microphone, which doubles as a speaker. The right hand side has the volume rockers and lock button, which doubles as a fingerprint scanner. Looking at the back of the device, I'm a big fan of this color. It's like a starry silver, which shines and like glitters in certain lighting conditions. I also really like the gold accents around the camera bump. I think it looks pretty premium looking. So that's it from me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing, and I'll be making a full review of this device, so make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to watch that review. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.